Hey guys, it's me UMBS Games, and today I would like to show you my new game. The game is a breakout game, and I wanted to see if I could take a boring classic arcade concept and turn it into a modern mobile hit in just 1 week. The game was made in 7 days as a personal challenge. It is my second game, and it is made using the Godot engine. For the idea stage, I just started asking ChatGPT for ideas for a simple game challenge. ChatGPT gave me a decent plan, so I jumped straight into Godot. Day 1 was all about the basics. I set up the paddle, the ball physics, and the walls. It looked pretty ugly at first, but the movement was smooth, which is the most important part. By day 2, I realized an endless game gets boring without a goal. The goal shouldn't just be survival, it should be domination. So I integrated a global leaderboard. It was tricky to get the server working in real time, but now, when you die, your score is uploaded instantly. It turns a casual game into a competition. Day 3 was for the economy. I wanted players to feel rewarded, so I built a currency system. Breaking bricks has a chance to drop coins or gems which you can spend in the new shop. I added power-ups you can buy to help you survive the endless waves. I didn't want it to be pay to win, but the upgrades definitely help with the grind. Day 4 was a heavy UI day. To keep people coming back, I coded a daily claim system for free rewards. I also wanted this game to be global, so I translated the interface into 5 different languages. It was tedious work, but seeing the menu switch seamlessly from English to Spanish made the game feel much more professional. I'll be honest, day 5 was a struggle. After 4 days of non-stop coding, I hit a wall. I was feeling lazy, so I basically just sat there and designed the main menu. It wasn't the most productive day, but sometimes you just need to do the simple stuff so you don't burn out. Day 6 is where I paid for rushing. When you make a game this fast, you end up with messy spaghetti code. I spent the whole day refactoring scripts because the game was crashing when too many particles appeared. It wasn't glamorous work, but I had to fix the memory leaks to make sure the gameplay was buttery smooth. Finally, day 7. The game worked, but it looked like a prototype, so I added the juice. Animations, sound effects, particles, and cool paddle skins. This is the difference between a bad game and a good one. Suddenly, hitting a brick felt satisfying, and Brick Breaker Max was finally ready. And that is the result. 7 days of stress and coding to create an endless, competitive brick breaker. Now, the game isn't fully public just yet. It's currently in the testing phase. If you want early access to play it before everyone else, send me an email to my email in the description and I will let you join. I really need testers to help me find bugs, so hit me up. Thanks for watching. UMBS out.